A CUI tool to monitor your Kubernetes cluster without going through the hassle of memorizing multiple commands and constantly rerunning the commands to check for updates. Let's see the tool in action. If you're paying attention, you see multiple panes here. This particular pane gives you the cluster info panel, gives you the information of the cluster, and it also shows the health of the cluster, and below which you see the namespace panel, and in which you can see all the namespaces, and clicking on each namespace gives you the description. And if you're paying attention, you can see this resource panel which updates in real time when you click something on the namespace, and clicking on any one particular resource gives you the description in description. That's it. And you can also see the nodes from here. The tool not just shows the resources, the current resources, it also updates in real time. Let me show that in action. I will create a new deployment, and so I'm creating a new deployment in the default namespace. Once it is created, the panel updates, and then you can see the pod here and the status and other things. You can also see the deployment getting updated in real time. Of the code base, we have written this particular tool using Golang, and we have used the Go CUI library to create the beautiful UI which you see in the tool. And we have structured the code base in this particular way. Inside package you can see clients. Right here we have the K8s client, which is responsible for fetching information from the Kubernetes API server, and the GUI part takes care of rendering the information which is fetched from the client in the UI. We have multiple Go routines which watch for the events sent by the API server and update the UI in the real time. And we also refresh the panes like namespace resource at a frequency of every second, so whatever information which you see in the tool is always in sync with the state in the Kubernetes cluster. And we have multiple key bindings for each particular pane to handle things like on clicking on the pane what to do, and clicking on tabs in the pane what should be handled in separate functions. And we have separate logic for handling scroll, and whenever a key press up or mouse wheel is done, we recenter the view to show the actual data in the pane. I hope you like this code base, and you can feel free to create issues and contribute. Thank you.